Good morning, dear participants of Congress, dear guests of Kaunas and Vytautas Magnus University. On behalf of Rector of Vytautas Magnus University and scholars of our university, I would like to welcome you at this event, and I am pleased, and it's a very big pleasure for me that this significant scientific, cultural and political event is held in Kaunas, and this event is organized by scholars of our university. And Lithuania and Belarus have a lot in common. Common past, history, shared historical memories, even some myths are common. Also, understanding of sacred places and the same symbols. And we see that some parts of our identity are overlapping and common. And Grand Duchy of Lithuania was territorial, political and cultural space where a specific political, not ethnical concept of national identity was fostered at that time. I hope that this conference will create space to understand better the place of history in our lives, the role of historiography in national identity building. And historical consciousness, as we know, has a role of orientation. It is something about the past, but it's also something about the present and future, and it's something about projection of our future. So, I hope that this conference will contribute to understanding of building of nation state in nowadays and to construction of national identity and other social and cultural identities in specific political, economic context of nowadays Belarus. And I hope that this conference will contribute not only to development of traditional historical, ethnical and national narratives, which articulate the continuity between the present and the past. I hope that it will contribute to development and strengthening of critical historical narratives, critical social and political thoughts, make input to fostering democracy, civic rights and human rights idea and democratic discourse. And speaking about the future, I hope that our nations will have a lot in common in the future, and we will belong both to space of democratic, economically strong and culturally rich countries. Thank you.